Hi kids, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about the patterns. Different patterns. Draw and complete the patterns. There is a circle, square, again circle, again square. Circle, square. Then here is what comes after the square? It's circle. It's a circle. And we will draw a square after the circle. This is a sequence. I mean it's a pattern. Square, circle. What comes after the circle? A square. And then a circle. So this is a pattern. Then two circles, two squares. What comes after the two squares? Two circles. Here is first two squares, then two circles. What comes after the two squares? Two. What comes after the two circles? Two squares. Okay. Then a triangle, a rectangle, triangle, rectangle. What comes after the rectangle? Triangle. Again the rectangle. Square, triangle, circle, triangle, square. Then circle. What comes after the circle? It's a triangle. Then what comes after the triangle? It's a square. Okay, it's a square, not a rectangle. Okay. Two triangles, one circle, two triangles, then one circle. Again two circles, one rectangle, two circles, and one rectangle. So these are the patterns. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Take care and goodbye.